So here we have the LightInTheBox LED shower head 10-inch model, direct from China, just arrived and installed, as you can see. We're gonna go through a little demonstration here of the capabilities of this bad boy. As you can see, we have a nice blue light. We're gonna shut the lights off real quick. And we'll increase the temperature here. The lights actually slowly change color, which is kind of nice. Some more purple hues and then on to red. And finally, way too hot. Overall, I'd say it's a good product. Decent construction for being direct out of China. It definitely can't get in the U.S. quite yet, except for a few retailers who have bought some of them. But it's all nickel. The arm does not come with the shower head. The nipples here are a little cheap, it seems like, but still, with decent water pressure, I don't think this will be an issue. Beyond that, that is the LightInTheBox 10-inch square LED shower head.